Hey, it's Ted here with Overland Pros. We've got a new little play toy, and really excited to unbox this. Haven't yet done it, so this will be the first live experience here. So I'm standing in front of my D90 that we imported from Spain, and I've got a black 110 Santana Defender, and Traxxas makes this awesome TRX vehicle. It actually comes with a couple different body styles, but the first body style they came out with was the Defender. Really excited to see what this looks like. Comes with portal axles, obviously four-wheel drive, locking center diff, locking front and rear diffs, all remote. And let's see what this thing looks like. Here's the controller. I did get a couple of AA batteries. It takes 4 of those. So I got silver, really dark gray model, and I'm hoping to put some black stickers on it to have it look like my Santana. Wow. It's a 1/10 scale. Really cool. It's got a lot of details. It really looks like the real thing. This thing looks pretty awesome. Oh, I see. The looks like the body is on top, and it is because they have different bodies. There we go. Body comes off. This is the guts of the TRX4. Take a look at this. Portal axles, locking rear diff, nice suspension travel, oil-filled shocks. It's all waterproof. Little fake winch there. Pretty cool. Looks like it's got some other tools in here. And then this is the Defender 110 body with a roll cage and a snorkel. Got some gas cans on the back, full size actual spare tire. Little farm jack. Very cool. A lot of attention to detail. Looks pretty awesome. Can't wait to test it out. So I did go ahead and buy the Traxxas charger and 2 Traxxas 2-cell batteries, 1500 milliamp hours. I went ahead and just did the Traxxas brand. I know you pay a little bit more, but they do have a separate connector which helps with charging equalization. So yeah, the convenience of buying the Traxxas pieces just worked out for me easier. I am excited. The batteries are charged. I'm going to put some batteries into the remote, get the top on. We'll take it out for a little spin.